Ni kati ya stori ambazo zimepata kugonga vyombo vya habari leo kuhusiana na kukamatwa kwa wezi wanne waliopata kuhusika katika wizi wa pesa takriban shilingi milioni 94.9 kutokea katika kampuni ya Wells Fargo. Ila maafisa wa DCI wameweza kufumbua na kuweza explain the whole trajectory na kuweza kueleza jinsi ambavyo huu mchezo wa paka na panya dhidi yao na wawezi ulipata kufikia kikomo baada ya wao kukamatwa hapo jana. Nao nikipata kusoma ujumbe kutokea kwa maafisa wa DCI, Wakenya wengi wanaonekana kwenye mitandao ya kijamii wakitoa hisia zao na wengine wakionekana kuwa wameghadhabishwa na kile ambacho kilipata kutendeka baada ya hawa watu kukamatwa. For linked to Kenya shillings 94 million, THIEVERY arrested as investigation heighten for men connected to the theft of cash in transit by known Wells Fargo staffers on November 6th have been arrested in different parts of Nairobi, and Kenya shillings 9 million believed to be part of the proceeds has been recovered. The operation, which was effected by DCI headquarters detectives backed up by the Nairobi regional counterparts, kicked in after painstaking analysis of forensic-led clues, with the first arrow pointing to Rongai, where the first suspect was arrested. Ismael Patrick Gitonga is believed to be the driver and accomplice who ferried Wells Fargo crew Mugetha, Nduiki, and the stolen 94.9 million from the company truck in South Sea using his Toyota Fielder registration number KBM 751W. The Hawkshaws extended their investigations to Njiru area in Kayole, where they traced the motor vehicle in the hands of Michael Matoro Njeru and Samuel Onyango, who were ambushed hands on tools modifying the vehicle for concealment. The two were equally cuffed and the vehicle detained. Moments after a brief interrogation, detectives arrived to a spot near the Thika Road Mall in ROYSAMBU, where the fourth suspect, Martin Deringanga, was arrested. He led the detectives to his rented house still in ROYSAMBU, where as such therein saw the recovery of 9.1 million in cash. Having booked the four suspects, the sleuths proceeded to a forest near Gataka Market in Karen, where the cash box used in transporting the stolen money was recovered. Detectives believe that the forest was the meetup point for the suspects, where the loot was shared before each one of them risked his way from the long arms of the law. Investigations are still currently ongoing as the DCI detectives continue doing the investigation. The man that was arrested in ROYSAMBU had hidden his money in a mtungi. Yani unaiba pesa milioni 10 unaweka kwa mtungi. Watu wengine sijui mko na akili gani. Tukiongea kuhusiana na hili, Wakenya wanaongea pale kwenye comment section, na getting to read some of the comments from Kenyans in regards to this arrest. Naona SK Mwigai akisema, and the way Kenyans were happy. Isaac Maitek anasema, please ensure that your comments are brief and spelling are correct so that I can read quickly and move to the next comment. Sony Agnes Modoni anasema, most of these guys never have a proper escape plan. I can't believe I'm saying this. And Ego Najao Muitherado anasema, we love the vivid explanations of the admin. Naona Jared Osoro anasema, watching live from Pretoria, South Africa. Good job man in uniform. Kevins Juma anasema, what were they doing in Nairobi? Shenzi sana. Pia mimi nawaambia washenzi sana. Maxwell Koech anasema, they were not serious. This movie is too short. Even before we could watch episode 2, they have been arrested. Fuata Nyuki wa Kungu anasema, the masterminds Daniel Mungai Mugetha and Anthony Nduiki wa Igumo are yet to be thrown in the calabash. Stephen Kago anasema I knew ROYSAMBU had a part in this. Nogi Teens anasema good job. Are you sure that's all you recovered? Party Memsa Party anasema you can run but you can't hide. Michelle Brenda anasema the way I prayed and fasted for these guys wakwenda huko kabisa. Naona Edgar TV akisema imagine being paid 15,000 to transport 94 million. Also that is something that we must speak about. Unalipaje watu 15,000 alafu unawaamini na pesa mingi hivyo? And those what's up doesn't regard to kukamatwa kwa hawa say. I ask of you, what do you think these people should have done and how should they have escaped the police from arresting them? As of right now, that's what's up. Make sure subscribe ndani ya FM show. See you in the next videos. Wadau.